Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Josh A, this is your RCI2950DX3. Wanted to show you the upgraded 10.7 IL filter. This is a 15 kilohertz wide filter. It replaced the 25 kilohertz wide stock filter. And let's see, you got that right here. Well, there it is right there. Okay. I'm getting ready to put the cover back on there, but I wanted to show you that before I did, because once you get that back on there, you can't see it. Okay. There's your upgraded voltage input buffer filter. What was in there was a 1000 microfarad. This is a 4700 microfarad. Okay, we can put that in there because there's no amplifier back here to run into it. Here's your upgraded voltage regulator buffer filter, upgraded from a 1000 microfarad to a 3300 microfarad. Okay, and there's the wires that I promised you coming out of the back of the radio, coming to the switches up here. RCI noise filter and the high cut. Okay. And you'll need to, when you make your bracket to mount on here, you'll need to punch a couple of holes in there. I got the wire where it curves around to the left side. And let's see, got the noise filter installed. Got the, I unlocked the clarifier and, you know, I lined it back up. And I've done the, I did a partial tune-up. I got to finish tuning up the receive. Wanted to wait till I put that filter in there. I don't know how many times I've done an alignment and have to go back and redo it because I changed the filter. The filter doesn't make that much difference, but I like to go back and check it anyway after I do something major to a circuit like that. Okay. Upgraded your first RF amp and set the bias voltages on your driver and two finals. And I think that's about it. About all I got to show you inside there. Alright, let me get it all put back together and more to come. Okay, the shield is back on, all soldered back in place, nice and stiff. Okay, and your connections to your high cut and the Ranger noise filter are right there. The cables come out and go right out the back here. Okay, and there's a splice, a joint right there that can be separated in case you ever need to take the cable. You have to solder it, but it will come apart right there. Okay, desolder it, I meant. All right, more to come. Okay, there's the key. I need to put a wire tie around that and secure it, but that gives you full coverage right there. All right. Okay, Josh, I got it put back together. Wanted to demo the high cut and the Ranger noise filter for you. I'm getting a burst of noise, and I think it's, hear that right there? That's coming from my computer or scanner or something. All right, what we're going to do first, we're going to do the high cut switch. And I hope you're able to read my writing on these. I wrote it on the heat shrink before I shrunk it down. Okay, this is high cut. You hear that? Off, on, off, on. Okay, now let's do the Ranger noise filter, RCI noise filter. There's that burst of static I was telling you about. All right, on, off, on, off. Okay, noise filter on, high cut on. Isn't that nice? Still getting that burst of noise, but it's not nearly as irritating as it was. Okay, that's on lower sideband. Now on AM, high cut. Hear the difference there? High cut off, high cut on. Noise filter off, noise filter on, noise filter off, noise filter on, and high cut on. Let me cut high cut off and then switch the noise filter in and out on AM. Okay. All right, now let's just do high cut. On, off, on, off. Okay, now I'm going to turn them both back on the AM. So even on AM, it makes it nice to listen to. I mean, listen how quiet this thing is now. And I'm on an outside antenna. And I wish that Skip was rolling, but it's like 2:30 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and yeah, I'm still up working on radios. But listen to that. Wow, that's nice. And I did that to my 2970N4 as well. Okay, but the switches come around here to the side, so you can mount the bracket over here and have your switches right there. All right. Okay, let's do some power checks. I want to get to a different channel so I don't blow my other radio up. Actually, you know what? I'm going to cut it off. All right. We're on AM channel 20. Let me switch back to the dummy load. I got 100 watt slugs in here. Meter on the left is average. Meter on the right is peak. I'm on channel 20. Dead keying. About 20 watts. Audio, hello, hello, audio. About 55 watts peak. That's on AM. Let's go to lower sideband. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. See that average power come up to about 35 watts, and you're peaking at about 50 on sideband. Okay, and that's on channel 20. All right. Let's see. I think that's about it. I'm getting ready to. I'll box it up and get it shipped out to you. Put this bad boy back on channel 38, where all sideband radios belong. That's the national call channel. It's channel 38, lower sideband. All right, Josh, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.